I'd like to explain anti-windup control in this video. Control systems with input saturation is considered in this presentation. This is a control system. P is plant and C is controller. When the input limit exists in this control system, saturation function is used. When the input is within the limit, control system works fine. On the other hand, when the out of the limit, wind-up effect occurs, like this blue line. So in this case, anti-wind-up compensator is used to overcome the wind-up effect. This is the input before saturation function and signal output after the saturation function. Then this summation and this signal is used to achieve good control performance. By using anti-wind-up controller, control performance is increasing like these red lines. That's all.